Hi, this is Caroline with You Are Created Beautifully. And today we are here with a hack. So if you're anything like me, you have this beautiful, smoky, dark, rich eye for your date night or to hang out with your children, you need lashes. I do it off camera because I do not know how to put on lashes. Ardell's Magnetic Lashes. So we are gonna try these magnetic lashes up close and personal. Do these things really work? Will they last on your eyes? How easy is it? So I have my good friend here. She's gonna attempt to put this on me and we're gonna see how easy it is. How easy does this go on and will it stay on for a few hours? If you're curious at all, keep watching. Application. Gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. Number 2, gently remove under magnetic lash from tray and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the two magnetic lashes together. Seems easy enough.
It's a strong magnet. Hold on. There's gonna be bloopers.
Oh, of course, those are the fun parts.
It's like they fly. It's like they fly into the.
These things are fake.
Look down. Well, at me. I could have already had like regular lashes on you. It just says to lay them down. Okay. Try to be fast.
What? Oh my god.
The way you're blinking.
I can't help it, dude. It's all on video, you know that, right? Give me a mirror. What's wrong with it? Is it not work? What's wrong with it? Give me a mirror.
No, just let me get it on the video. Look down.
Let me try to do it myself.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong.
So first attempt was someone doing it for me. Let's see if doing it yourself helps the process. So it says to simply lay it on your lash line. Do you think it would have helped if I used mascara first? These things are garbage. Someone got rich by making us try these things. No, this is not gonna work. There's no way to get this to work. Do you want to try, honey, doing it? Like maybe a man's better than what I did. Okay, so basically, wow, as I'm talking, these things do not work. What is up with me in this channel? Everything I try, you people on YouTube are lying. This does not work. Comment below if you have actually tried this and it works for you. And I'd like to see you try this and do this because it does not work. And actually right now, I feel like maybe there's an allergic reaction happening because the bottom of my lash line is totally starting to itch really bad. So this video is another fail. Target, I want my money back. All $13.99. I want my money back. This does not work. Sorry. Okay, ready, honey? I'll figure that out how to. Okay, come on, Michelle. Oh, shh. He just farted.